Here are 7 must-try food spots in Boracay. Hey Jarelskis! 2 days lang ako nagstay sa Boracay. I know meron pang maraming pwede pang itry, but here are my top recommendations. Kaya naman kung pupunta ka ng Boracay this summer, save mo na tong video na to. Gusto ko talaga matry tong ube mama as an ube lover. Though medyo pricey siya at 320 per serving. Para sa akin, na-enjoy ko to kasi yung mix ng Maha Blanca ice cream, ube, and other more textures ay swak na swak sa panlasa. Pero hindi magpapatalo ang original na Coco Mama. Ito naman coconut and pandan ice cream with mangoes with munggo and pinipig on top was a sure hit. Sayang lang talaga hindi ko na-try yung mango mama. Marami nagsasabi yun daw ang pinakamasarap. Hindi ka legit na nagpunta ng Boracay kapag hindi mo na-try ang Jonas Fruit Shake. Banana peanut ang lagi kong order dito. Don't miss out the breakfast buffet sa mga hotels. We checked in at Savoy Hotel tapos may free breakfast na to, so we took advantage of it. Let me know kung gusto nyo ng room tour, comment down below. Marami silang choices like egg station. Pwede ka magpagawa ng eggs the way you want it. Meron ding coffee. Pero ang pinaka nagustuhan ko talaga yung corned beef nila, ang sarap. Highly recommended ng marami ang Sunnyside Cafe. I tried their brunch at Station 1. Beachfront siya kaya you got the $1 million view of the beach while having coffee or your meals. Masarap yung coffee nila at nagulat ako sa serving ng breakfast okonomiyaki na in-order ko. Grabe, ang laki. If you're familiar na parang Japanese pancake na okonomiyaki na may potatoes, cabbage, and bacon topped with bonito flakes and egg. In fairness, masarap siya. It's very filling. I enjoyed my experience here. Don't miss out on the happy hour promo of Maya's where you can get your buy one get one cocktails for only 299 pesos. Available 2 to 6 p.m. Take advantage also of the dinner buffets. Maraming nag-o-offer nito dito sa Boracay. Tinry namin yung nagbibigay ng free buffet kapag umattend ka ng seminar pero nagbayad kami nito ha. We paid 1,200 for the dinner buffet. Sobrang disappointed kami, hindi masarap. Because panunggulan. Bumawi kami the next night. I highly recommend the barbecue and seafood buffet of Discovery Shores Boracay. Pwede ka magpaluto ng seafoods the way you want it. Go here instead para iwas budol dun sa mga overpriced seafood paluto. I know marami pang pwedeng itry sa Boracay. Kaya naman kung meron ka pang Boracay recommendations, comment down below. Cheers!